This will be a quick introduction of the After Effects Academy, of the membership portal. So in case you have been logged out or you haven't logged in, what you need to do is go to bluefx.net, just type in bluefx.net, and on the top right side you will find the login button. You can click it, and after this you're gonna be directed to the My Account page, which is the login page. Okay, you will enter your credentials here. These credentials, the username and password, were set up at the point that you have registered. Okay, next I will log in. I recommend that you click the Remember Me button here if you're using your own personal computer. Okay, let's log in. So here you see that when you have logged in, a new portion of the website appears. You can see that now when you click on the Academy page, you have access to new panels. Okay, so first of all, before you do anything else, I recommend that you join the mastermind group on Facebook. So just click here and click on this image. The idea is that all the action is happening right here. We are asking questions, we are responding to questions, and checking your suggestions right here on the After Effects Academy Mastermind group. So please join this group here, and after you joined, we need to manually accept your request, and usually in less than a day, probably much less than a day, you will be accepted, and you can ask questions and you can interact. Okay, so next, here you have the courses. Now you will see that we have actually three ways of accessing these courses. You can see that here we have individual lessons. Now I added these individual lessons this way because maybe you are interested in just one topic, or you want to use this as a reference and come back later to check a specific lesson. So this way it's easy for you to check a lesson from a course. The second option is using the search bar. The system is set up in such a way that you can search for words in the individual lessons, because you will see that a lesson has a transcript, and that is searchable. For example, if I will add in let's say photo, it will show up and it will show me all the lessons that have this word in it. So this will be useful if you want to find something quickly. Okay, now the next option is selecting the individual courses, because this is how I recommend that you start. I would recommend that you start with the crash course in After Effects, because this course is showing you the very basics of After Effects, but we show all those important steps that you need to make when you edit a template. So this is a very action-oriented course. And once you select the course that you want to view, I recommend that you start with the 00 introduction. You will see that each course will have such a lesson. Then you open a course. Okay, you will see here the introduction video. Okay, you will see information about the author. Okay, you have a short description. Now some of the courses have an included bonus package. So I recommend that before you start following the course, you also download the zip package that is included. Now you'll see that here we have included actually an After Effects template, music files, and more graphic files. Okay, so how should you view a course? Well, you check the first video and then you just go from here. You start here, play this video, right? Next, just go down and click on the next video. You will see that the lesson that you are viewing right now is underlined. Okay, so you can see here all the lessons. Okay, now how will you go back? You have a couple of options. You can click here or you can click here to the Academy. As you can see, I'm logged in now, so I have access to the members area. Okay, next let's check out the templates. Click on the Included Templates tab, and here you will see these are the 5 bonus templates that I've promised at the beginning of on the sales page, on the video, on the sales video. And here are a couple of unannounced bonus files. So I also included these in because I think these will come in very handy. You will have good use for these. These are logo animations, 3 logo animations here, lower thirds, and so on, and other files. And then I also added in the free After Effects templates for easy access, because you can just download everything with one click. Okay, you don't have to enter any email addresses, so just click and download, click and download. Okay, for example, if you would want to download this template, yeah, okay, you can check the video and then you just click it, click this button, and you'll see that it's already downloading, you see. Okay, so now we know how to use the template section. Next is the live class section. Now, the live classes will be held on a weekly basis. We will send you an email with the link where you can join that particular live class. It will be a so-called a webinar link, and then you can ask our teacher any questions that you have. Okay, so this concludes the short demo of the interface. I really hope that you like what we made here. I built this membership, this academy for you. So whatever suggestions you have, whatever ideas, whatever needs you have in After Effects or in video editing or in working as a video editor, just write me here, and our team or I will be responding to you. Based on your needs and on your suggestions, we will be modifying the entire academy. We will be adding new stuff, and it will be a very useful tool in your video editing arsenal. Thank you for your time.